Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Nuova Simonelli espresso machine. Let's go ahead and we got some leakage here, but the pump is working well, which is the main thing that we're testing. If your customer is having issues with the pump not working at all, my suspicion is that the tank wasn't in all the way. That's the only thing that's really going to stop the pump from not working. If it's unless the pump's bad, but if the pump just doesn't sound bad at all. And the way the machine detects it is if the water in that little circle there goes down, then it won't pump. So there we go. It just ran out without the tank in, and then it says to add water. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.